What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I will be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to Windows PC. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for future helpful tech content. When trying to connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to your Windows PC, first thing you need to do is power on your PC and smash that like button so YouTube algorithm pushes this video to the top and we can be helpful to others. Once your computer is on, click on the start button located on the bottom left corner of your screen. Then go to settings and click on devices. Once you are in the devices menu, make sure that your Bluetooth toggle is on. It's very easy to tell whether your Bluetooth is on or off because when it's off, you will see an off right next to the toggle, and when it's on, the toggle itself will be green and it'll say on right next to it. Once your Bluetooth on your Windows PC is turned on, the next step is to click on the Add Bluetooth or Other Devices button located right above your PC Bluetooth toggle. Once you click on the Add button, you will see a window pop up that says Add a Device. Guys, before we move forward, please smash that like button if everything seems to be pretty straightforward, and comment down below if you have any questions. In the window, you will see a Bluetooth, wireless display or dock, and everything else. Before you click on one of these options, you need to make sure that you open up your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live case so your PC could recognize and detect your Buds Live. When your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live case is open, go back to Window on your PC that says Add a Device and click on Bluetooth. Once you do that, your Windows PC will automatically start scanning for Bluetooth devices and you should be able to see your Galaxy Buds Live on that list. And when you click on your Galaxy Buds Live, your PC will start to connect to them automatically. And then in the bottom right corner, Windows will let you know that it's setting up your device, and once it's set up, you will see a similar pop-up message saying your device is ready and you can use your Galaxy Buds Live with your PC. Also, remember guys, every time you're turning off your PC and want to connect your Buds Live to other devices, in order to avoid issues between your PC and Galaxy Buds Live, I would suggest to always manually disconnect your Galaxy Buds Live from your PC by simply clicking on them and then pressing the disconnect button. And if you do encounter any issues with your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, simply remove them from your connections by clicking on them and then pressing remove the device button. Once you press the remove device button, Windows will ask you whether you are sure you want to remove this device. Click yes and they will be removed from your Bluetooth connections. And then simply reconnect them to see whether or not the issues will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to Windows PC, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell to be notified for future awesome helpful content.